how's it going? I'm Sean Yazigian. This is my first time at LS Fest West. I've heard great things about it and I can't wait to run the event. This is my 1962 Volvo Amazon. Basically bought it as a shell with a blown engine inside. Rebuilt the engine, wasn't really happy with it, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna go with the LS swap. I had the old motor sitting in my Camaro. The LS1, all aluminum, which is nice. I tried to set it as far back in the chassis as possible, just to try to get the best weight distribution out of it, and it handles like a dream. I've basically gone through every part of this car and given it the look that I want and the ride that I want out of it. It's a T10 4-speed transmission. The motor was originally a drag motor, so it's very peaky, but in a lightweight car like this, it just rips. It gets up and goes. The louvers in the hood, that was his personal touch, whoever did it back then, but I liked it, and it kind of had that old school European kind of street rally look, and I said, you know, I could push this style and make it my own. I've been working on LS's since 2006, and it was kind of a no-brainer for me to go with this motor swap, and I'm glad I did. What I really wanted to do is to give it a more modern, updated look, which I achieved with, you know, bigger wheels on it, the spoiler in the front. It's a Honda, it's an Integra front spoiler, which I added to the grafted steel piece. The rear, it's Tesla Model 3 wheels. I love the look that it gives, and it's a bunch of little things. It's 1960 Corvair front and rear bumpers. I chopped them, shrunk them, bent them into place. Outside Corvair door handles for the inside pulls. The rear decklet spoilers from an Audi TT. The interiors from a 2010 Camaro SS. The interior door panels, they were just aluminum sheet that I got. I hand machine turned them. I put them through the bead roller just to give them a look. The exhaust on it, I have a center exit. It's a Y-pipe setup to a single. Well, I came here today to run the Grand Champion class, and it's autocross, it's drag race, it's car show, it's cruise, and I believe it's Track X. I forget the exact name, but it's a kind of like a higher speed road course / autocross event. So I'm excited. I don't know. I finished the car right before COVID struck, so this is the first time really getting to drive it for what it's meant to be. So I'm really excited. This is my first time here. The venue is awesome. It's huge and it's laid back. So I can't wait to tech it and throw this thing on the track and see what it does.